Best deals.
1. Pan. It is offered with stay cool, natural, durable, elegant, comfortable rosewood handles fixed on sturdy stainless steel brackets which are permanently riveted to the pan. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Towel rack. Is made from sturdy, rust-resistant metal for long-lasting use in humid bathroom environments. Wall-mounted design saves floor space while keeping towels and essentials neatly organized and within reach. Ideal for hanging towels, robes, loofahs, clothes, or bathroom accessories. Sleek design complements most bathroom decor styles. Simple wall mount setup, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. This sleek shelf reclaims your cluttered countertop by utilizing vertical wall space, giving you a high-capacity storage solution without the bulk. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Organizer. Can withstand temperatures ranging from -4 to 140, let you experience the taste of fresh fruits. The hollow design can effectively clean your ingredients and ensure perfect drainage. Convenient handle design allows for easy placement and extraction, simplifying your kitchen tasks. Seal freshness in with a thorough sealing strip. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Grater. Features 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for efficient slicing and grating. Its precision food grip securely holds everything from cheese to veggies, acting like a food masher. Perfect for use as a potato masher stainless steel option in modern kitchens. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Casserole. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Container. Is made of high-quality stainless steel, making it unique and long-lasting. Compact size makes it easy to store in kitchen cupboards. The see-through lid allows you to easily locate and keep track of all of your favorite ingredients for everyday cooking. This container is elegantly designed to complement your dining experience. Easy to clean and wash, they have very exotic silver shining. Ideal for day-to-day usage. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Kettle. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Durable stainless steel build, food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Multi-kettle is designed to make your cooking experience easy, quick, and versatile. With a range of features tailored to enhance your cooking and boiling tasks. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Can opener. Features 3 handy tools in one. Firstly, it has a strong, stainless steel cutting mechanism that opens conventional cans with ease. Then, by rotating one of the arms 360 degrees, you reveal 2 further tools, a ring pull lifter and a bottle cap opener, neatly hidden inside. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tawa. Poured under high pressure into a mold cavity. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Once the molten metal hardens, the mold is opened and the die-cast pan is removed. The final result is a finely engineered piece of cookware with wonderful properties for cooking. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Sponge mop. Designed to simplify daily cleaning tasks effortlessly. This 3-in-1 mop offers mopping, wiping, and brushing solutions in a single tool. With easily replaceable sponge heads and an extendable handle, it's versatile and convenient. Suitable for all floor types, walls, glass, and bathroom surfaces, this mop is the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. Mop is suitable for various cleaning tasks, from mopping floors to wiping surfaces and scrubbing. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Steamer. Has a tough construction with a 3-layered body that cooks the food evenly and quickly. The tri-ply stainless steel multi-pot does not leach harmful substances into food like aluminum steamers may do. Truly a healthier vessels. Its heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. These plates can be used for various cooking purposes. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass jar. Keep your food fresh and kitchen organized with these food-grade glass jars. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spatula. Is expertly designed for non-stick pans, ensuring your cookware remains scratch-free while cooking. Holds hefty food with ease. Nylon mini slotted non-stick roti dosa egg omelette spatula palta flipper turner pan can be used at barbecue party to make burgers on an outdoor grill as it can easily hold the weight of a half-pound patty. Featuring a slotted steel handle. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Stool. Ergonomic carrying handle allows for easy and comfortable carrying, allowing you to take the step stool anywhere. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Basket. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade BPA-free silicone, this 9.6-inch round-proofing basket offers exceptional durability and flexibility. It can withstand rigorous use without warping or cracking, making it an ideal companion for both daily bakers. Perfect for compact kitchens. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Trash bin. Made from durable grade stainless steel, hanging trash can comes with a tight seal lid to block odors. Rust-proof, waterproof, and easy to clean. Flip the lid up or slide it down, designed for flexibility and ease, no matter your kitchen setup. Clean white color with a smooth matte texture adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Detachable hook design lets you move and reattach the bin effortlessly wherever you need it. Hide it behind the cabinet doors when not in use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Protein shaker. The powerful 6,500 RPM motor ensures lump-free, velvety shakes, baby formula, coffee, or chocolate milk in seconds, saving time and energy on busy mornings. The USB Type-C rechargeable 1200 mAh battery fully charges in just 2 hours and lasts multiple uses, so your shaker is always ready when you need it. The LED battery indicator keeps you informed. Red light means low battery, blue light means fully charged, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. Made from sturdy ABS plastic, it withstands daily use, while the 600 ml transparent jar with measurement markings ensures precise portioning for perfect blends every time. The sipper lid with a built-in drinking spout allows for one-handed drinking, so you can sip directly from the bottle while multitasking. No spills, no hassle. The removable whisk and dishwasher safe jar ensure quick and effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Organizer. Comes with multiple drawers perfectly sized for A4 paper, cosmetics, art sheets, and daily sundries, helping you stay organized at home or the office. 4 smooth gliding wheels rotate freely and can be locked in place for stable positioning, making the organizer easy to move and secure. The sleek, semi-transparent design allows you to easily identify contents while offering a stylish, modern look that blocks out direct sunlight. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Egg pan. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and beautifully shaped results every time. Ideal for making omelets, bacon, burgers, dumplings, and more. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Crafted from high-quality cast iron. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Ice cube molds. The sufficient and valuable set is practical for making ice cubes for your drinks, and each one can make 60 ice cubes about 0.5 inches, The ice cup molds are very practical and lightweight. Pour half the water into the cup when making. Only takes 3 seconds to complete the water injection, saving time. Then insert it into the silicone cup. Gently press the bottom of the lid to expel the air, and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Can help you effectively make many ice cubes for daily or parties. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron kadai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like biryani, sabzi, fried snacks, gravies and many more. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Container. The circular see-through lid offers an airtight seal that locks in freshness and prevents contamination, while allowing you to easily identify contents without opening the container. The smart square shape allows efficient stacking and organized storage. Ideal for cabinets, shelves, and countertops. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Steamer basket. Is made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel for safe steaming, cooking and long-lasting kitchen use. Pot sizes adjusts from 6 to 10.5 inches to fit small pots, pans, pressure cookers and cookware with ease. Perfect for steaming vegetables, momos, dumplings, eggs, seafood, baby food, washing fruits and draining. Removable center handle. Convenient center post helps lift the basket safely from hot cookware and supports easy handling. Collapses for space-saving storage and cleans easily after daily cooking. Steaming is a healthy cooking choice because it helps retain more than 90% of the nutrients lost when either boiling or microwaving food. With this versatile kitchen tool, cooking is fast, easy and less messy. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Pressure cooker. Made with food-grade Se2O4 stainless steel and spot-welded handles, it's durable and easy to clean. Its efficient pressure-regulating system and unique long-lasting gasket ensure perfect, even cooking every time. Ideal for a variety of dishes like pulao, paella, stews, risotto, and soups. Compatible with gas, induction, ceramic, electric, and halogen cooktops. This pressure cooker is designed for modern kitchens and hassle-free cooking. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Water jug. The non-porous glass material does not absorb stains or odors, ensuring that your beverages taste fresh and pure every time, will not turn milky or cloudy over time, maintaining its crystal clear appearance even after repeated use, does not leach any chemicals into your food, ensuring safe and healthy use even with repeated usage. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Rack. Comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for toothbrush accessories, face wash, 4 hanging hooks, with small size drain holes in the bottom of each container for water flow. This storage stand is crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Hassle-free installation without drilling or screwing on smooth and flat surfaces saves lots of time and looks clean on your surfaces. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Organizer. Useful to organize bras, panties, vests, underwear, ties, handkerchiefs and other small garments. Keeps your inner wears clean. Space-saving. Simply unzip the underside and fold flat to stow. And open the zip when ready for use. Easy to store at home and carry in travel. Good quality fabric, meticulous stitching with durable base. Comes with laid cover to protect inner wears from dust. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Espresso maker. No matter where you are, home kitchen or office pantry, the smoker pot works on both gas stoves and induction cooktops, ideal for busy women who need flexibility without extra equipment. Brew a bold, rich cup of espresso right in your kitchen, while the kids nap, before the day begins, or during a quiet break between chores. It's not just coffee, it's a few minutes of calm, clarity, and comfort in the middle of a beautifully chaotic life. Because moms deserve more than just caffeine, they deserve a moment that's theirs. Premium aluminum heats quickly and evenly, perfect for rushed mornings. The cool touch handle and V-spout let you pour confidently without burns or mess, even when multitasking. It's compact, elegant, and gives the gift of peaceful coffee moments. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Tawa. Hard anodized body with thick base of 4 mm for superior durability, even heating, and resistance to scratches, stains, and corrosion. Broad base ensures even heat distribution, helping rotis and chapatis cook faster and evenly. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Sprouts Maker Jar. Grow fresh and nutritious sprouts easily with this premium Sprouts Maker Jar. Designed for proper airflow and quick drainage, the Sprout Maker helps support faster and hygienic sprouting for mung beans, lentils, seeds, and microgreens at home. Made with thick BPA-free glass, the Sprouts Maker glass jar is strong, odor-resistant, and easy to clean. The reusable glass Sprout Maker jar offers a safe and convenient solution for everyday kitchen sprouting needs. Featuring a practical lid with handle, the sprouting jar allows smooth water drainage and balanced ventilation. The smart design of this Sprout Maker jar helps maintain freshness while reducing excess moisture buildup during sprouting. The spacious Sprouts jar is ideal for growing larger batches of sprouts for families and healthy meal preparation. Suitable for beans, legumes, seeds, and microgreens, the Sprout jar glass fits perfectly into modern kitchens. This Sprout Maker glass includes a free sprouting guide ebook with simple step-by-step instructions. A practical sprouts container and home sprouter jar for health-conscious families, beginners, and home cooking enthusiasts. This stylish Sprouts Maker jar makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys healthy eating and home cooking. Ideal for growing beans, dals, seeds, and microgreens, this practical Sprout Maker glass jar supports fresh and nutritious daily meals. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric Mop. Delivers superior cleaning performance with a high-speed spin feature, effectively removing dirt and grime from various floor surfaces with minimal effort. Equipped with a modern Type-C charging port, the electric mop fully recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, while the retractable extension handle allows for comfortable cleaning without bending, making it easy to reach under furniture and in tight spaces. Equipped with a powerful 2000 mAh battery, this electric mop offers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning, ensuring you can tackle large areas without interruptions. Choose between 3 speed settings to adjust the cleaning power according to the surface and level of dirt, making it versatile for different types of floors. The automatic spin mechanism effectively scrubs and cleans a variety of surfaces, including bathrooms and kitchens, leaving floors spotless with minimal effort. Equipped with a powerful electric brush for thorough dirt removal, ensuring a deep clean and pristine finish on your floors and bathroom surfaces. Electric Spin Mop offers up to 90 minutes of powerful cleaning with 3 speed modes, adjustable handle, and an LED display. Perfect for floors, tiles, and bathrooms, it features fast Type-C charging and multiple brush heads. Equipped with a high-speed motor delivering up to 4,200 RPM, this electric scrubber removes stuff stains, grease, and grime quickly and efficiently. The tilt-and-lock adjustable head easily adapts to different angles, making it simple to clean ceilings, walls, tiles, glass, sinks, and tight spaces with minimal effort. Product link is given in the 31st link.